Today, we're creating a dramatic supernatural vibe by applying the dark aura effect to your video. This effect adds a shadowy glow around your subject, making them feel powerful, haunted, or mysterious, perfect for horror or fantasy style edits. Let's get started. First, import your video into CapCut and tap on it to select. Now look at the bottom toolbar and tap on Effects. Next, go into Video Effects and here, scroll to the Light tab. Inside this category, look for an effect called Dark Aura and apply it. You'll immediately see a dark energy-like outline form around your character, almost like a supernatural shadow. Now let's fine-tune it. Tap on the effect again to open its settings. You'll see a few sliders. Lateral Chromatic Aberration adjusts the color fringe around the aura. Pushing it up adds more colorful edge distortion, great for a creepy or glitchy supernatural look. Filter tweaks the overall tone of the aura effect. You can make it more dramatic, stylized, or muted depending on your preference. Intensity controls how strong and visible the aura is. Increase intensity for a bold, powerful glow. Lower it for a subtle haunting feel. Once you're happy with the settings, preview your clip. You'll notice your subject now has a dark, magical aura that enhances the mood perfectly. And that's it. You've successfully added the dark aura effect in CapCut Mobile. Use this look in horror edits, dark fantasy visuals, villain transformations, or music videos to instantly boost atmosphere. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile tutorials.